Hello everyone. Now I introduce reverse vending machine. The machine was made our company in Shenzhen of China. This is our company website. You can contact us on website. Now I introduce the functions of vending. First, the vending has a strong composer. It means that empty bottle will be crushed by the composer. And second, I introduce the system. This is a back-end system. It will be record every transaction after user put a bottle. Okay, let me give you a demo. Crashed. Okay, that's so easy. And then you can see the time.